I'm about to show you is the most guilty expression in the world. You, Lightning. Did you chew up that garbage? How can anyone stay mad at anyone so cute? How can I stay mad at anyone so cute? Oh, you're so lovable. Let's see what you did. Yeah, let's see what Lightning did. What did he do? Oh, now we know why he's feeling guilty. He has raided the garbage can. Lightning has raided the garbage can. He's looking a little worried. He's looking a little worried. But we still love him. Oh, you're so cute. I can't stand it. Oh, you crazy dogs. I can't stand it. We love you guys.